Hello class 3. I hope all of you are keeping well. Fine. I hope you have also watched my video which I have uploaded. That was based on Science chapter 1 and the name of the chapter is Living Things and Non-Living Things. And if you have watched that video, you must have seen that in that video I have explained you about what are living things and what are non-living things. Apart from that, I have also explained the various characteristics of living things. Okay. Now, I think all the characteristics were not explained over there. So, I am going to take a recap of the characteristics which are explained and then we will move forward. Now, what were the characteristics of living things we have explained? The first point was all living things need food and water to live. Okay, that was the first characteristic. Second was all living things need to grow. They all grow in size, okay, in their structure, in their shape, size, in different manner, like plant, animal, even human being, they all grow. Then third point was all living things need to move. They move in their own position. They also move by changing their position. So in the various ways, every living thing shows movement. Then the fourth point was every living thing need to breathe. Breathe means what? They take in oxygen. Every human being, animals, they take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide. And in case of plant, it is just the reverse case or the opposite case. That means they take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen. Fine. Now we move to the next characteristics of living things. Now I have already mentioned here, as you can see, the next characteristics, that is the fifth characteristics of living things, is every living things need to excrete. Now what does this word excrete means? Excrete means we have to remove out certain waste material or certain waste products from our body. Alright. Now what is waste material or waste product in our body? Now it can be in the form of solid, it can be in the form of liquid, can also be in the form of gas. Alright. Now, even in case of plants also, they need to excrete certain substances. Like if you have seen in the rubber plant, you have seen the rubber, in case of rubber plant, a kind of liquid is being excreted and then in this liquid gets solidified, then it acts like a rubber. Okay. But then don't think like the rubber which you are using is directly coming from there, but it has been processed. After that only it turns into the rubber which you are using. But it comes from there only. Fine. From the rubber plant. Now if I take another example, you must have seen papaya plant. Now in papaya, if you just cut the stem of the papaya plant, you will find white or milky substances comes out. That is also a kind of excretion from the plants. Fine. So, from here what do we learn? We learn that every living thing needs to excrete, means they need to remove out waste material from their body. Now we come to the sixth characteristics of living things. Now what is the sixth characteristics? As you can see on the board, I have written every living thing need to reproduce. Now what does this mean? Reproduce. Produce means to make. Means of its own. Okay. Now reproduce means every living thing has a characteristic of giving birth or producing young ones of their own kind. Like plant will produce plants only. They will not produce animals. Right. Now in case of animals, if a dog gives birth to puppy, cat gives birth to kitten. Okay. So it means what? Every living being or every living organism thing, they are making or producing of its own kind, giving birth to babies of their own kind. Fine. Like in case of human being also, we are giving birth to human babies. Alright. So this is very, very important. In order to continue the life on the earth, we need to have these characteristics. So every living thing need to reproduce. Reproduce means to give birth to their young ones. Okay. Now we move to the next characteristics of living thing. Now suppose if I happen to you? You will get hurt, isn't it? You will feel the pain, right? Now that feeling is what? Since you are human being, so you can feel the pain. If I pinch a pencil box and I press it very hard, will it get hurt? No. Why? Because pencil box is a non-living thing. And if I pinch you, then definitely you will get hurt because you have sense organs. Okay, so you can feel the pain. And when you feel the pain, then what do? You react. You make some sound or you just make faces. Alright. Now, another example. For example, if I put my, you don't do that, okay? Suppose by mistake, if I put my hand on hot water, then what will happen? I will feel the heat of the water, and as soon as I will feel the heat of the water, I will remove my hand. So what am I doing? I am having the feel, okay, I am feeling is the, what am I feeling? The hotness of the water, and I am removing. That means I am reacting or I am responding to the feel, to the stimuli, or we can say I am reacting to the changes what is happening. Right? So every living thing has again one more characteristics, that is they feel and respond to the changes in their surrounding. Fine. Now if you say, ma'am, like in case of plants, they don't have any sense organ, how do they feel? No, definitely they also feel. Even they also react to the like their surrounding, and they show some changes in them. Okay, so what happened? If you have seen the touch me not plant, okay, in case of touch me not plant, if you just touch the tip of the leaf of that plant, then what will happen? You immediately you will see that all the leaves will drop down, like they will fall. Okay, then after a certain period of time, after some time, you will again see that they are erected. Right? So that shows that even plants also have the feeling, or they have some senses which give them the feel. Right? So what is the next characteristics we have learned? Is that every living thing has, like, they feel and respond to the changes in their surrounding. So I'm going to write that on the board. Feel and respond. Okay. If you have your book, you can see all these characteristics are mentioned there. You can read it nicely and you can understand with the given examples which are given in the book. Also when I am explaining to you, from there also you can understand. So like almost we have covered all the characteristics of living thing. Fine. Now you can see I have written in the previous video, I have explained you a few characteristics, and here I have completed the rest of the characteristics. Right? Now, based on this, I am going to give you few like homework which you will be doing at home. Okay? My advice is this, that you must read the chapter at least twice or thrice. Then you will see that when you read the chapter, you are able to understand many things. And when you are coming across with difficult words, you can underline those words, and if you have not understood them, you can write me in the comment box. I will answer your questions. Fine. Now I am going to give you few homework. Alright. Now just note it down. I am writing on the board. Now the first thing, you will read the chapter. Okay. what are non-living things and what are living things. Okay, you will just define them. I'm rubbing over here the upper part. Fourth question. What are living things and non-living things? Okay, and you will also give example, at least two example you give. Alright, now the next question is, if you will see your book, in your book there's a table given, differences between. Okay, so you will just draw that table, write differences between living things and non-living things. That is question number 5. Write the differences between living and non-living things. Okay, apart from this, in your book also few exercises are given. I am going to attach those pages where the exercises are given. You will not do the question answers, you will only do the like objective short questions type, short answer type questions, you will do them. Okay, and definitely you will read the chapter properly so that you can answer all the questions. Alright, so in this video only till this much, and I will be back with the second chapter, and if you have any doubt you can write me in the comment box again. Okay, so take care, bye bye.